Hi friends, today's topic is Neelakurinji. So why Neelakurinji is this year 2018 is the year of Neelakurinji. That means the mass flowering of Neelakurinji happened in this year 2018. So that's why Neelakurinji is an important topic. So every 12 years there is a rare natural spectacle happens in the hill ranges of Munnar, and that is the blossoming of Neelakurinji. That means the mass flowering of Neelakurinji. So we need to know some features regarding this Neelakurinji. So the Neelakurinji, it's a shrub, it's a plant species endemic to the Western Ghats, mainly to the southern part of India. That means in the Western Ghats we are having a place called Munnar in Kerala. So Munnar is the place where we can see this Neelakurinji. So Neelakurinji, it's a shrub found in the Shola forest of Western Ghats in South India, that is Munnar in Kerala. So it is endemic to the southern parts of Western Ghats or southern parts of India. So the scientific name of Neelakurinji is Strobilanthes kundianus. Strobilanthes kundianus is the scientific name of Neelakurinji. So what is the specialty of Neelakurinji is it blossoms once in 12 years. So Neelakurinji blossoms once in 12 years. That means they are having a 12-year flowering cycle. Now why this happened? Why 12 years? That means it's a monocarpic plant. So we are having two kinds of plants, monocarpic plants and polycarpic plants. Polycarpic plants means they will flower and they will set their seeds many times in their life cycle. That is a polycarpic plants. And monocarpic plants means they will flower only once and they will set their seeds only once in their life cycle. And that is a term known as monocarpic plants. So through their life cycle, they will only flower, they will only blossom, they will only set their seeds once. That's a term known as monocarpic plants. So Neelakurinji is a monocarpic plant. And why 12 years? There are some plants they will blossom after 8 years, 7 years, 6 years like that. And why for this species 12 years? Means it's a maturity time of that plant species. So these kinds of monocarpic plants, they will flower only when they get mature. So the Neelakurinji, it takes 12 years to mature the plant. So after getting mature only, these kinds of monocarpic plants or these kinds of plants will flower or they will set seeds. So that's why it takes 12 years for the Neelakurinji to become its mature. So that's why it blossoms after 12 years. And another specialty of these monocarpic plants is they will flower gregariously in single season. That means mass flowering will happen for these kinds of monocarpic plants. So we also have another example for this monocarpic plant, bamboo. Bamboo is a kind of monocarpic plant that will flower only after 40 years. After 40 years only they will flower. So bamboo is also kind of monocarpic plant. Now we know about Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve. It is the first biosphere reserve in India, Nilagiri, right? So Nilagiri Hills, that got its name because of the presence of this Neelakurinji in the earlier days. Nilagiri Hills, which literally means the blue mountains, got their name from the purplish blue flower of Neelakurinji. Right now it is present in the Munnar only. Now coming to the annuals and perennials, there are two types of plant species, annuals and perennials. Annual plants means they will complete their life cycle in 1 year. That is annual plants. Annual plants will complete their life cycle in 1 year. Within that period, they will blossom or they will flower and they will set their seed. And perennial plants means they will live for so many years, more than 2 years, and they will set, usually they will flower every year and they will set their seeds. So Neelakurinji, it's a perennial plant. Neelakurinji is a perennial plant, perennial shrub that will blossoms only after 12 years when it become mature only. Now, there is another interesting feature regarding this species. There are some tribes, they are even calculating their ages based on the flowering season of Neelakurinji. Some tribes in Tamil Nadu, that means Palian tribals in the Tamil Nadu, they calculate their ages based on the flowering season of this Neelakurinji. And this Neelakurinji is also facing some threat. So due to some factors like the climate change, the flowering season of this Neelakurinji is also altered. So these are the main points regarding Neelakurinji. So Neelakurinji, it's a perennial shrub found in the southern part of Western Ghats or southern part of India, mainly to the Munnar region of Kerala. And its scientific name is Strobilanthes kundianus. And why it is important means it blossoms once in 12 years, and that is because it only flower after getting mature. So in order to mature, it takes 12 years. So that's why it's a monocarpic plant. So Neelakurinji is a monocarpic plant that will blossoms only once in their life cycle and they will flower gregariously in a single season. That's also one specialty regarding this species. And there is one more point why it got Neelakurinji name is Neela in literal language known as blue color and Kurinji means flower. So Neelakurinji means blue flower. Okay, so these are the main points regarding Neelakurinji. Thank you.